Okay, small update. Now, since everything went well with the piston connecting rods, something went okay, finally. The torque specs, the stretch, torque wrench, assembly grease for the ARP and the cage. I have to make it upside down. Before I make it upside down, I was checking how much up it's coming the piston according to the deck. It's coming 600 millimeter. I'm just mentioning this for the owner to don't have any headache, because they resurface the deck. Just one 600 millimeter. That's how much they get. Just to remove the imperfections. Let us say there was a little bit of corrosion and they disappeared. Not completely. You can still see some of this, but this will not gonna affect anything. It's not gonna change the compressor ratio. It's very, very small. It's just 600 millimeter. And 1 second to get one pen marker. We are talking about, we have 83 millimeter bore, all right, and we have 0.06 of millimeter that remove material, comes more up. So how much volume it's missing? This is 8.3 centimeters and this is 6,000 of centimeter. Okay, because we're looking for cubic centimeters. 1 second to get one calculator. Yeah, it's 8.3 divide 2 multiply 4.15 multiply 3.14159 multiply 0.6. This give us yeah, what I said, 0.32 cubic centimeters. That's how it's giving to us. Multiply by 4 cylinders, 1.3 cubic centimeters in total out of 3 cylinders. So this is nothing. This is for 4 cylinders, this is per cylinder. All right, so it's fine, do not worry, and has enough clearance. The valve is not gonna interfere with the piston. It's gonna be okay. Let's make it upside down now to stretch the bolts, torque it down, put the assembly grease, and then torque it down. Engine upside down. I want to show you only that here I'm putting 11 bolts, the 45 torques, not 9. It's coming 9 from the factory, and there is a space to put another 2. I'm putting it all. This is the amount of sealant. Okay. And this is how it looks like inside. No need too much, like I've said before, a little bit. Let's move on, let's continue to finish it. That's it. The CJX with the billet crankshaft rear seal, it's ready. I have to package also these parts, need to send it back. I did send it with the rest. Yep. Thank you.